Hey Mackenzie squad, so in today's video again I'm going to shop for couches because I really need one for my house. And this is Sofa Hub. I really got them. They are making a lot of L-shaped or corner sofas, which my house can't fit that style. Look at this red one. Oh my goodness. I've never even thought of a red couch, but it looks nice. Anyway, so I'm really searching for couches and really trying to look who I will really stick to. So let me just show you around of what the things that I got. But most of the videos that I took for most of the furnitures that I went have really, like, I deleted them by mistake, so I'm not be able to recover them. So yeah, so most of the couches right now, they are ranging from 40,000 to 75,000. That is for the shops that are around, like zile ziko tu barabarani, but in the malls it's different. So this is iHomes. This is their showroom. This one, they have a bit, their prices are a bit higher, but they still have good things. So I was really trying to check some of the items because I also shop for clients. So I was even doing this while I'm checking for a client a dining table. Yes.
I got everything I thought that I'd need, but my heart's missing one last piece. I thought this would be all that I dreamed. It's 3 a.m. and I can't sleep. I'm tired of blurry vision, faking smiles ain't me. I need that clarity I hear of all the time. The symphony inside me's getting quiet. Was it in front of me all of this time? And all that was needed to open my eyes. The masterpiece inside my mind with that.
So you can see their beds. They really look cute with the side cabinets. I love. But for now, I'm not planning to change my bed. Maybe the mattress, because I really need a new mattress right now.
Is it right? I paint the sky with the memories of you I left behind. Behind is my final night with you in my mind. Time's racing. What we had was real, but I made a deal, and our fate was sealed when they erased my mind. And I hope you know I tried. Yeah, I gave them a good fight. I don't wanna say goodbye, but goodbye. Was it in front of me all this time? All that was needed to open my eyes. The masterpiece inside my mind without you, is it right? I paint the sky with the memories of you I left behind.
So initially, guys, I've been really struggling for the past 2 weeks, and that's why I've not been consistent over here on YouTube, because I felt like I have a mental breakdown and I really needed a break from everything. Not everything was working for me on all aspects of life, and really that diminishes me in everything. And I always feel so bad. I feel like not doing anything, just lying in bed, and but you see, for being an adult, you need to like show up even though you're not happy at all with something. So you need to be showing up. If it's work, you have to go. If it's doing this and that, you have to do, because you don't have like any other thing.
found myself smiling more the moment you leave.
As an adult, you don't have any choice, but you need to work. So my house was really in a mess for the past 2 weeks. I didn't fold my clothes. My house was messy. I even took videos for that, but they got lost. I'm sorry, I don't have my phone is really not good at this point. I'm hoping that I'll get new one soon. So yeah, so I've not been feeling okay, and even praying as well was really giving me a hard time, because I felt like maybe why me. I always ask myself why me, but it's not right to do that, because God is always on our side. So yeah, so that's why I've stayed back a little when it comes to making content in all my socials. So that's TikTok, that's for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. So I'm so slow on that, but I'm hoping that I'm coming back fully when I'm ready. Yeah, so this is the time that I was just trying to clean up my house so that I can pop out and then maybe do something better for myself.
Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running, I found myself dreaming again. The moment you leave, it goes blank in my head. It feels like my bed is on fire when I'm sleeping alone. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. Myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best.
So guys, I want to clean up also the seat. This is a leather seat, and all I'm going to use is this Astonish. I don't know if you can see from here. Yeah, I'm going to use Astonish Specialist. Leather conditioning cream. What you do, I usually pour and then you apply the way you apply oil. Is it? Yeah, the way you apply oil. You just do like this and just let it. They usually say let it sit for let me see if there's something. Add to a clean soft cloth and apply a thin coating, a small area at a time. Rub and spread gently using circular motion. Leave for a few minutes and then bath with a clean dry cloth. So I have the cloth here, but I'll just do that in a circular motion of the said. Yeah, like that. So I'll do that to the whole seat and then leave it for a few minutes and then I'll come dry it up.
You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling.
my entire kitchen, how it looks like. Yeah, as you can see, there's no good lighting. That's why I don't know where to stand. So I usually, when washing like this, I usually put it there. And here I've just put I usually leave these ones for a day or even soak them in the night, but I didn't do that. I've just soaked in the morning. So I'll just leave them for the whole day. And then when I come in the evening, I have to boil. These are brown nuts. Yeah, I have to boil everything. So here is what I've just placed them like that, because I need to boil them when I come in the evening. So my kitchen and my sink is so clean. So yeah. So these mats, guys, I got them from Divine Interiors KE. They come in pair, 2 of them. So they're so good. When you're working on your working station, you can step on it. You don't need to wear your sandals or anything. But yeah, so that's it. So I've even taken my Lisa to the bins, and yeah, so that's it, guys. It's on the afternoon on my side. I just wanted to show you, I've just finished washing everywhere. Like, I was doing a thorough cleaning because as I've told you, as I was talking to you, like, I've not been good in the state of mind. Like, my mental health was not really that okay. So I was really like slow in every aspect of my life. So yeah, so as I showed you how the house was, everything, even as you can see my hair, look how bad it looks like. It needs to be checked. My fingers and toenails, they're also so bad. But I'm thinking maybe when I go for like when they go to just make everything, I'll be back to normal. Yeah, I think that's a therapy as well. So yeah, so I've just finished cleaning up. I want to move out right now, and I want to head to Kiambu Road. If you're in Kiambu Road, there's a barber shop. The barber shop also has there's a side for the men and there's a side for the ladies, just for for the nails. It's a nail bar and everything, and also massage if you need. So let me just take you there so that you can see. Yeah, so I'm just trying to return back to my normal self. Yes. So guys, we have arrived at Quickstar Barbarshop and Beauty Parlor. This one is in Kiambu Road, you guys, just at the junction. It's just along the roadside, and here we are. So yeah, let me just show you around. I've sectioned it. This is the place for where the men are shaved, and then over here there's also another space, but inside this the door, like this is where the massage parlor is. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness, like, oh, we'll have to do this together, you guys, when I come back again. I love their how clean they are, you guys. They're really clean, and you can try them out and tell me.
Love someone and they'll just give you help.
So the thing that I told myself that I want when I'm just trying to recover from the mental breakdown that I had is just pampering myself, you guys. This is one thing that you should do if you're not feeling okay. Get that massage, go do your hair. Maybe that's something that will make you happy. Just go do it and you'll be okay, because sometimes you're so shaggy. That makes you not feel okay, like as a woman. So you need to go do those facials, do everything that you feel that you're happy, and maybe when you leave that place you'll be new, like you feel so new. So at this point I hadn't gone to retouch my locks because I started with the nails, and there wasn't even time for me to go for the locks. So maybe next time. But the other things I really do, and I was really happy about their services.
Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Baby, I just wanna treat you well. Hope you don't leave nothing but a shell. Baby, this time I could do it better.
So the first thing that I did for myself is just going for some mani and pedicure for myself, because that's one thing that I just told myself I need to like pamper myself so that I can feel nice. This is a way of me recovering from what I was going through, and I hope that one day when everything goes as I'm thinking it will, I will share on this platform and tell you what it is, because it's really hard sometimes when you're not okay, and you know, like everything is not okay with you. So yeah, so this is what I was trying to do, and they really made me feel that.
Please, if you wanna, just be honest and say so. Say you want me, let go. I've been feeling the same things out here, just waiting. Doesn't matter where we go, I'll be for it. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Maybe this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you one life.
I enjoyed the massage so much because it made me relax, and yeah, if I had a lot of time I could also do the whole body massage, but I didn't have the time. The nails, guys, this time I went back to the henna, the back then days, what we were doing, because for me the gel version has really messed my nails up, so I had to let go and do the henna instead. So yeah, trying to move away from the music because of copyright. So as I was saying, they are based in Kiambu Road, you guys. Upper, what is it called? Okay, my face has look oh, hey, what is it called? The junction of Kiambu Road. So it's just along the road, you're not going to enter anywhere. So it's called Quickstar Barbarshop and Beauty Parlor. So they have, I've already told you, they have everything to do with men, because this is more especially for men. And then the ladies on just the sides of the nails and, you know, beauty. Yeah, so I'm done. I love the black short nails for me. So yeah, so I'm done, and I'm really grateful because Aki wamenifanya vizuri. Their services are nice. Hey, they've even wait for me my shoes. Like, these are things they don't do this for me now. They have even wiped my shoes. What else have they done? Everything nice. I think I've taken everything as they were doing it. Massage, we've done everything anyway. So their services are nice. You can check them out if you're along Kiambu Road, and if you can make your way here. So yeah. So najificha hapa. So you can see I'm just in the massage room. Come on, na. I had to see. And the results, guys, you can see how my toenails look so good, and also my finger toes, because I love short nails, because I always do a lot with my hands, so I really don't like the longer nails. But I'm cute, as you can see. Tell me in the comment section.